Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today you're joining me at my kitchen at home. We're expecting 5 to 7 inches of snow tonight. It's a cold winter day here in Omaha, Nebraska. It's around 11 Fahrenheit right now, and it's going to be a pretty cold one, especially tonight. We're expecting snow all night and day tomorrow. Anyways, today I just want to talk to you guys about the espresso machines and the tools I accumulated, especially the one brand that I like so much, and that I want to showcase you guys all the tools I have from that specific brand. If you've been following my channel, you know I used several espresso machines over time, starting with the DeLonghi ECP, then the Gadget Classic Evo Pro. Then I got a Gevi Easy Brew 1000, and now my current setup with the 2024 Breville Bambino. I personally purchased all of these machines, no sponsorships, just my honest experiences and opinions, hoping to help the next guy, next person make an informed decision. Along the way, I upgraded, modified, and even given away machines like my DeLonghi after some serious upgrades. And I also tried the Thunder Black Gadget Classic Evo Pro from Whole Latte Love, but I had to return it due to the boiler gate issue. Right now, I keep two machines. One of them for my office, the Gevi Easy Brew 1000 with its 58mm group head, PID and pre-infusion functions. It works really good. And then the other one is my trusty 2024 Breville Bambino. This is the one I use at home, sitting right behind me in my small coffee station next to my DF54. And of course, with these machines I accumulated, again, a ton of accessories and tools, because what's espresso without the gadgets, right? My go-to brand espresso tools has been so far Normcore. So today I'm excited to share all the Normcore tools I purchased and use daily with my machines. So let's jump in. I want to start with my knockbox. This is the one that I got from Normcore. It's a super shiny stainless steel. This is the small size knockbox. Super cool. And here's the soft part, a wood handle, slides right in. I brought this home from my office to show you guys. It has like nice little silicone padded legs underneath. It's fairly cool. It has holes in the back so the pucks will dry. It worked really good for me so far. This is one of the most expensive Normcore pieces that I accumulated, and I use this at my office because I have limited space for disposing my espresso pucks. So I do it during the day with this. I drink 3 to 5, and plus, like, my buddies from next door, sometimes they stop by, I make them a coffee. So all in all, around I want to say 5 to 7 cups a day espresso drinks I make, and this works really good for me. Next, I want to show you guys my portafilter that I have for my Breville. This is an awesome portafilter. I highly recommend it. As you see in my setup, I have no tamp station, none of that stuff, because this portafilter is called Flat Naked Portafilter, and it's been packaged really well. I love lately Normcore has been sending their items packaged and environmentally safe in paper bubble wrap type of thing. Works awesome. And here's the Flat Naked Bottomless portafilter. Let me just show you how it works. Basically, this thing, as you puck prep, sits flat. You don't need to put it on anything or edge of the station or on a temp block or whatever you call temp station. Nothing. You just put it flat. It comes with this precision basket I hope you can see it. I hope it didn't blur there. But anyway, comes with this precision basket. Super nice. And it works really well. And I have also another precision basket I'm going to share with you momentarily from these guys. It has an aluminum handle, completely stainless steel. I mean, this is flawless. I highly recommend this. This comes in 54 millimeter and 58 millimeter, and I think E61 as well. So if you have one of those, you should be able to order one of these. It's a pricey item, but you know, it's definitely worth it. I highly recommend it. I'm just gonna put this over here for now. Next, I want to show you guys my gravity tools. I accumulated quite a bit of gravity tools with all those machines I have, and every one of them is a different size. Let's start with the smallest one. This one, I got it for my DeLonghi machine. It's a 51 millimeters. And I know some of you think maybe it's crazy to buy a gravity tool for half of the price I paid for the machine, but hey, I think it's awesome. This is stainless steel, and it works like this. Absolutely amazing. Made out of completely stainless steel and metal. It feels great in hand, and it really works wonders. I love this gravity tools. The other one I want to show you is for my Breville machine here. This one is fairly similar to one I just showed you. This is slightly $10 more expensive than the other one, because this one is titanium coated. It's not stainless steel, it's titanium coated. Supposedly, coffee grounds doesn't stick if it's titanium coated, but I don't see the difference between this and the stainless steel one. But I like the black on black, so I bought this one. Again, of course, Normcore. Again, fully metal construction. No adjustment, nothing needed. You just put it, place it in your portafilter. It automatically levels it. All right, let's put this back. And then the third one is for my office machine. I got also the same as the one I just showed you, except this one is 58 millimeters. Again, titanium coated. Again, Normcore. Excellent. I tried other gravity tools. Honestly, I was tired of adjusting the depth according to weight of the coffee. Every time I changed the coffee beans, I had to adjust the depth. So I told myself, you know what? I don't want to deal with this anymore. I went with the gravity tools. I highly recommend it if you're into distribution tools, leveling tools. After my gravity tools, next I want to show you guys my WDT tool I got from Normcore. This is very nice. Comes with a walnut handle and a magnetic stand. And here's the top part of it. I did not use this tool yet. I just got this recently, and I'm gonna set it up. Basically comes with all this needles and some extras in there. Here comes this little part. Put it in. This is how it works. After this, I want to show you guys this precision basket I ordered from Normcore. It's very nice. You have to grind a little finer for this basket. They include, I don't know, 100 pack paper for the bottom. If you like, you can use these. Personally, I don't use these. They're 51 millimeters, it says, for the bottom of this. And but this is a 54 millimeter precision basket. And I use it with this one. Instead of the one came with this portafilter, I use it with this one. I really like the taste of the coffee. It extracts So many different tastes. So one thing, if you want to take out of this whole video, this is a really good buy. I highly recommend it if you enjoy really good espresso. Remember, you need to grind finer than what you usually do. I also have an IMS competition style basket. I grind like a 1.5 points thinner than this one on the DF54. All right. Next, I want to show you guys for my other portafilters. I purchased this prior to buying this. It's a tamping block from Normcore, and it's made out of metal outside, silicone inside, and this inside part is removable. There's so many replicas of this over the internet, super popular. I mean, you can even get this done 3D printed. Of course, nothing like the original. So silicone at the bottom so it prevents slippage. Inside you can adjust it. If you have one of those portafilters with double spouts, you can remove this and use that. And then, or you can keep this on. I don't use this with this portafilter. This is probably going to be gifted to a friend or family member. But I highly recommend it. It's a really space-saving design. You know, it doesn't take up much space and it keeps that black look on your coffee station. You know, I recommend this. Finally, I want to show you guys my Tampers. Let's start with the Normcore V4s I have. I have two V4s, one for 58 millimeter, one for my 54 millimeter. This is the one for 58 millimeter. Again, titanium coated, super nice. It has an auto leveler built in, so you don't need to worry about uneven puck, and perfect. It comes with multiple springs. You can actually remove the springs and change the pressure depending upon you know, how hard you want to press your puck. Mine is set to 30 pounds, so I'm okay with it. Let's go ahead and show you the other one. Other one is a little bit interesting. This one is a little plain with the wood handle. This other one is a wood handle too, but comes with a beautiful, colorful wood handle. As you see, super nice. Absolutely love this. Again, protection for the bottom. Again, titanium coated with the leveler. And this springs on this can be adjusted as well in different, I think 5, 15, 30. That's how it goes, I think. And this is my other leveler. This is for my Breville. But at this time, I'm using Impact Tamper style tamper, so maybe I'll switch it to that one. I'll keep changing it, alter it. I don't like monotone. This one is my experiment with the palm tempers. My left wrist, I had carpal tunnel syndrome right here, and I was having some hard time. Figured maybe this is gonna, doing this 5-10 times a day may have some issues, so I went ahead and bought a palm temper. And this is my Normcore palm temper, came with this. And this is the beautiful wood grain design on it. Again, titanium coated. And a little storage silicone. I don't need it. Everything is silicone behind me. But basically this operates like so. Very even, very easy to use with the palm of your hand. If you don't like this action, I highly recommend this. I find myself using this quite often. This is for 58 millimeter. I use this at my office. It's a space-saving design. Plus, like when I'm working, during my workflow, accidentally touching it, tapping it over these classic Tampers. This is all flat right next to distribution tools. They're like the same height. It makes it very low profile coffee station. You know, besides being easy to temp, it's a super space saver. I highly recommend this. As you can see, I've invested quite a bit in Normcore tools, and for good reason. In my experience, they're well built, innovative, and most importantly, they deliver on their promises. I also appreciate that Normcore stands behind their products, honors their warranties, and maintains great communication with their customers. None of these companies whose products I showcase, including Normcore, are affiliated with me or sponsor my work. Everything I share is based on my own experience and purchases. I listed all the tools I use in the description below, along with the links. If you think any of these would be a good fit for your setup, feel free to go ahead and check them out. And if you purchase through those links, it helps support my channel and allows me to keep making videos like this. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more coffee gear reviews and espresso insights. Thanks for watching Teo's Take, and I'll see you in the next one.